guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm here at the barbershop. I got a new package, so I just wanted to share with you guys what all I received. Let's just jump right into it. So I got this skateboard from the Barber Cartel. You guys, if you haven't heard of this company, I highly recommend them. So they have t-shirts, a little bit of everything actually, like fanny packs, and it's not only for men or women, they have both. Let's see, what else do we have here? So I have several different stickers. So it's the Barber Cartel. And fade box. So here's a Supreme bag. Let's see. We have a Cartel mask. Supreme box. And this little flask. So check this out, it's a little bullet. I think that's so cool. And on the top of it, it says, fuck what you heard. Can you see that? I really like that. Then let's see. Also received a t-shirt. It might be a little too big, but we'll make it work. Just tie it in the back and make it tighter. So that's all I received. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all the stuff. I loved it all, and I would definitely be tagging you guys once I decide to use it and post pictures and stuff. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, until next time, bye.